Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find activity log all projects. Todoist is a smart task management app that helps you plan your day, track progress and manage multiple projects in one. One powerful feature of Todoist is the activity log, which lets you see which tasks are added, completed, edited or they shared across all your projects, and this is especially useful when you want to review what you did today. So first, you need to open any of the web browser. You could be Safari or the Edge or the Google, and after you open to your web browser, in the top we can see there's an address bar. Simply type down todoist.com and enter it, and over here once you reach into this interface, select open Todoist and make sure to log into your Todoist account if you already have not so. And over here on the top left we will see there's an option for your profile. Once you click into this profile, a pop-up will open. Simply go to this activity log, and once open you can find all of the project. Here you'll see the list of action like task completed, task added or edited, project changes, collaboration updates, and at the top of the activity log, at the top of the activity log, you can also find all the project option here, and this will automatically activity from all projects, not just one. And you can track your today's task you have completed, you have added or edited, changes made in shared projects, action by any collaborators, if any. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.